Yo, what's up guys? It's Gray back here with another video, and today we're going to be taking a stab at creating a website for a local business. I love doing this thing. This is my jam, why I got into programming in the first place, and it's always something fun to do to, potentially help someone out, increase their online presence, and at the same time, like we have fun while doing it, and we learn and get to create, which is what life's all about. So today we're gonna be looking at Lottie Links, actually, which is like an indoor golf simulator down in Fort Lauderdale. My buddy Max, who, if you watch my channel, you know about, we work on tour together. He told me that his buddy is the owner and he's looking to rebrand and kind of like redo his website. So why not take a look at their current website, grab some images, some inspiration, and then go ahead and throw something together that we can then email over to him and let him know that um, we're ready to help him out. So yeah, what I did offline was I already grabbed a couple of these photos. As you can see here, I grabbed like the inside. Really cool place. I love stuff like this, like especially on a rainy day. Like me, Max, and Cole, we were out playing golf the other day, and we got rained out. We were like thinking about going here. Um, yeah, super cool stuff. The way I was able to get those images was just by inspecting the element on the right-clicking inspect, and then you can like use this hover button right here to kind of like come in and grab images like that. So I can see right here, like when I hover over this, I see it's like an IMG right there. So I have this image tag, and then you can see right here like lottielinks.com, WP content upload. So I can click on that link and then get this photo right here. And then obviously you can like save this image, copy it, do whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's how I got all those images. And now what we're gonna do is open up a cursor instance and then start coding. So let's actually cd into where I like to keep my repos. Geez, literally can't spell. CD into Lottie Links, and then let's open up that cursor instance. Cool. So now we got that. It's all zoomed in so we could all see. Let's go ahead and move those photos into here. Right, just so that. Got even their logo too. So cool. Very cool. Very good stuff. All right. Please create a simple Next.js business landing page for Lottie Links, an indoor golf simulator hangout spot. Lounging, I think I spelled that right, lounging area. And base or hitting. Visit their current site to get info about them, right? Provided in the directory. Capture the gator vibe. See, that's cool. I like that, keeping the Florida vibe and the palmetto green essence. We're kind of like sprinkling in some buzzwords to try to get it to think of something kind of unique. I want it to flow with like the green that they've got going on here. I really like this green right here. But yeah, include all the sections like FAQ, about, booking, and the current site. Use shadcn and all right, let's let it rip. In the meantime, let's see if we can grab some more photos, maybe. Good photos. Oh, need that. Save link. Open link in new tab. No. Oh, remember we had to share, and then we copy. Let's bring that into. So this is like their logo. It's a PNG. Where did that go? Lottie logo. Got it. Is that a PNG? No. That's kind of like blurry too. You gotta be able to take the background out of that. Oh man, that's probably waiting for me over here. Oh, let's go. So that's my MCP, Playwright MCP. So what this is able to do is it's navigating to the website using the headless browser, or a headless, it's not headless, so that way we're able to like see what it's clicking on and whatnot. And then it takes screenshots, getting the visible text. This is so cool. How we were able to do that was over here in tools and integrations. We have this Playwright MCP server. It's able to run all these commands using this Playwright MCP server. I'll drop the link to that in the bio. But essentially what it's doing is it's like able to execute Playwright scripts in the browser. So it's able to like click on things and get all the text. Very cool, very powerful, especially when you're asking it to search the web and stuff like that. So let's go. I have a really good feeling about this one. I think this is the first like website redesign we've ever done for a customer. All of our work on this channel has always been customers that have no website, so this is exciting. I'll learn a thing or two. Yeah, but that didn't turn out well. Gotta fly in here. Get out of here. 12 p.m., 12 a.m., 7 days a week. Hopefully it got all that information. Because this is like different pages. I don't know if it went to different pages or not. Let's go back and see. So we navigated, screenshot, gathered information from the current site. I mean, we did ask it to do just a landing page, so shouldn't be too upset. Yeah, I mean, it's got all this info on here. Oh, cool. TikTok. I like that's cool, like being able to embed Instagram and TikTok into a website. I got a really cool inspiration from like, oh, what was the name of that? It's like a I'm not gonna try to think of that right now. It's like a surf camp. They do like surf retreats and whatnot. Like, actually, let's go to Google and see like if we can get. Right here, La Pointe camps. Wow, that was easy. They have like a really cool feed where you can like scroll through and get a bunch of information about what they do just by like scroll. What is going on here? I don't want Costa Rica. I just want like their. Wow, their website's so sick though. Wow, Santa Teresa. Such a cool website. Where is that though? It's like on their main page. They have a like a really cool scroll through photo feature. Such a sick website. Oh, they may have changed it. Did they change it? Oh no, here you go. So like this is like their Instagram and like links to their Instagram. So like you see like videos and photos and whatnot. You can like scroll through. But if I click on one, I can like scroll like I'm scrolling on Instagram I can see like the caption, the hashtags, get the sound if I want, share. So sick. So sick. So that'd be cool to be able to do that with them if they have like a cool Instagram presence or whatnot. Ugh, really should be paying attention here. Do they have an Instagram? Yes, they do. Oh, so this is probably done. Oh, wow, man. Yeah, almost 1,500 followers. And they have a lot of content. Yeah, let's try to do that, honestly. That's a really good idea. Steal that La Pointe. When was that something they posted? Last year. Not bad. So let's look through. Got all our photos in there. Look at that in there. Ew, came out so poor. It's all red because they're still installing over here. Wi-Fi is kind of slow right now. They always get the year wrong. Did they get the Did they get the address right? East Commercial Boulevard. East Commercial Boulevard. All right. So I have a really good feeling about this one, that it used the Playwright MCP server to get all that information, do the web scraping itself. I don't know what's going on with my Wi-Fi right now. It's really slow. Even when I was browsing the web, you guys saw that on La Pointe. Maybe we don't have that many crazy packages, right? Like, yeah, just like all the basic ones. And then we've got, you know, React, Radix, Rashadsian, accordion button card. I wonder what the accordion's gonna be for. Maybe like a drop-down menu or something. Oh no, the FAQ. That's what the accordion's gonna be for, right? If I guessed. Yeah. Wow. Did they steal that? If you like to book a normal. Accommodate you, we will. Accommodate you, we will. That's sick, man. Alright. I'm behind it. I'm behind it. Simple. I mean, it's super simple. It's got like the palmetto green vibe. Could definitely be improved a little bit, but really good like starting point. This could be like a little larger, don't you think? Let's get on the phone. I think this looks really good. I love this green right here at the bottom. This looks really good. I don't really know how to like, make it any better. I don't have like that much crazy inspiration right now. There's no errors. Wow, good for Sonnet, dude. They're really finding a good way to incorporate MCP servers into their workflow, because it's like, dude, they went, did all the research, wrote the code. Yep. Does look really good. Does look really good. Alright, I'm done now. Cool. So that looks really, really, really good. Yeah, let's terminate this. And then I want to say, now build out the booking form modal. Use a SQLite database. No need to get crazy with Supabase, MySQL, and all that crazy stuff. Places like this where you're getting like people signing up, booking online and whatnot, like SQLite's always a great start. You know, you don't need to go crazy throwing cloud provider services at it. For majority of these websites, the traffic and volume that they're getting, MySQL can be good if you have like a template and you're ready to go and you want to use like dedicated server space. But since we're running this on Next.js, I think SQLite is perfect. Yeah, we're running Next.js on Vercel. We don't even need to integrate with their Postgres database. We just have SQLite, and no need to overdo it, bud. All right. Basically, all SQLite is just like a JSON file. So right now what it's doing is it's building out this database file, which is going to provide us with all of our interface functions for the SQLite database. Essentially all it is literally just going to be like a db dot SQLite or SQLite 3 or something. I don't know, whatever. That is just our database right there, and it's a file in the file system, and then that way we're able to read and write to that. Super simple, as you can see here. Like, we just import SQLite 3 and open database. So here you go, bookings.db. Oh, it's called .db, sorry, not SQLite, SQLite 3. So yeah, essentially, like, what's going to happen is we're going to have this data directory that gets created. It's going to have this DB, and then, yeah, all these functions essentially are for us writing statements and executing queries against that database. As you can see here, like check availability, we're gonna like query the bookings table with all these parameters that we're sending in. And then in SQLite, when you have this like backtick, you can put a question mark for your wildcard placeholders, or not wildcard, excuse me, for your placeholders. And then you have an array of arguments that are going to be they're going to be inputted into this query string right here. Yeah, we're just running basic SQL. We don't need any fancy like ORM either. It's always nice to just write raw SQL. You know, in college we all took SQL classes as computer science majors, so you should get it. The only thing it gets interesting with is when you have like big tables and you have to insert a lot of values. So it's like you have all these question marks, and they have to be coming from that booking object. But maybe it's why AI do it for us. Yeah, we like to keep things simple. We're also going to need to npm install to get this red stuff out of here. What is validations? Our form validation. Zod. So what Zod is a library that is used in a lot of Next.js projects for form validation. So it's like what's happening is we're going to build this form on the front end. That's going to take first name, last name, email, phone, date, time, party size, booking, event, social requests, all that stuff. And then what this is going to do is it's going to validate that form, saying like making sure it's a string, making sure that the phone number is minimum 10 characters, applying like a regular expression to make sure that there are like the right amount of characters. So we're gonna validate the phone format, things like that. Same thing, like if it's more than 50 characters, we're gonna say for a name too long, blah blah. So yeah, very powerful, pretty easy to follow syntax. You know, when things are optional, they're optional, but when they're not, you have to show like the error message. So then, yeah, what happens is you create that booking schema, and then what you're gonna do is then you just like apply that booking schema to the form, and then this will validate that. So you can see like in our booking form, we're gonna import that booking schema, and then we resolve that booking schema, or we call it the resolver. So in that way, like when we submit the form, like here you go, handle submit. When you submit that form, we then will use that Zod schema to validate the form. Oh, we already did that, buddy. Cool. So then now we're probably ready to run the server again. Curious to what happens if we don't have that data booking.db already created. Here we go, got a wonderful little form. Looks really good. How's it look on mobile? Looks really good. Alright, let's go ahead and fill it out. Grayson, Crozier, whatever. Got a phone number, regular play, 2 people. I want to do, let's do Friday. Preferred time. Uh-oh. Can we do like tomorrow? Uh-oh. Man. Crap. Well, none from me. Let's go ahead and confirm. We're going to be able to see the error here. Required. So that's it? It says required. I can't pick. Erg. That's annoying. Do we have like no times or something? Oh my goodness. Oh, there you go. We got a note. See, that's why you gotta read them. That's what I'm saying. It didn't like that we didn't have data. Was it bookings.db? Unable to open database file. So what about now? We have no tables in the DB. So yeah, essentially what's happening is there's bookings, availability check error. So I think what's happening is like not check availability. So we're saying get database, booking service, get available time slots, get available time slots. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, there we go. I didn't know we had a seed script. Cool. So we should be good now. Right? Compiling. Nice. Grayson. Crozier. Yes, yes. Friday PM. Only like 9 PM. I don't need an alternate date. None. Thanks. Let's go to network, see what happens. I don't know how I felt about that. That was very quick. Cool. Well, got that. Booking form. What's that route called? API bookings. Move API bookings. App API bookings. Cool. Awesome. That's sick. So then now let's connect to that database and run some statements. We can say, right, like SQLite. So we were data. So I can say SQLite 3 data bookings So then I can like say show tables. Oh, isn't it like dot tables or something? Availability, booking, settings. So if I say like select start from availability. Oh, I just don't know how to spell. AV. I literally cannot spell, dude. Oh. Just see Grayson in there. Boom. And you could like describe, or maybe like some fancy. Oh yeah, it's like whatever. I don't have time to do this. All I know is that that worked. That we have that Grayson in here pending, and then very cool. So what happens if we do like FAQ contact? Very cool. Well, look at that, guys. Just like that, we've got Lottie links set up with their landing page and a booking form that connects to our SQLite database. What you do from here now is set up some sort of like email service with like Resend's a really good service to do that with, and then also probably set up like an admin panel for them to read that. So let's go ahead and do that for right now. Like, can you create a simple admin backend to manage bookings, please? I think that'll complete like this end-to-end video right here. Yeah, so what happens here was we instantiated that database, bookings table, just create statement with our bookings, availability, settings. Interesting. Oh, like business config on the front end. Oh, open, close. Nice. That's actually pretty good. Persistent data for business settings. It's a good looking website, dude. Let's go to like Dribble and try to get some inspo, because after we get the admin panel implemented, I kind of want to do like a design thing. Refactor. See if we got any like design inspo here. So we got the back end for admin. Dude, AI is just unbelievable, man. This could be cool. And what is going on with my Wi-Fi today? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, I could get behind this. Oh wow, this guy's very talented. I like this a lot. This is impressive. Some people are so talented, man. I don't know. I used to have that like creative gene, but I don't know what happened. Just like gone. Rumble Golf is cool. Ah, this is also really nice. I love how everything golf is always like green. Maybe. No, it's kind of basic. This is nice. Come on. I feel like a majority of this video is just stuff loading. This could be good. So what was the other one? Oh man. Well, would you look at this? Oh, dude, crazy. It is so good, man. Like, that is just incredible. Wow, it's good. Like, where are we making requests to? Stats? Unauthorized. What the heck? I have admin off. What, are we supposed to send in like a header or something? Unauthorized, huh? Curious how it's happening though. So where are we making those requests from the front end? Login. APP author. We're not in production though. So do I have like a header? Let's just clear everything, huh? How about it? Clear my cookies. Clear local storage. And let's try it once more, alright? Lottie links 2025. Try again. Lottie links 2024. So let's see. I make a authenticated successfully, but then in my application, scribe, I got an admin session right here. What's going on? I got a token. Oh man. There you go, admin session. So then when we make those requests though, oh. Do I need to set it, like, don't I need to fetch stats here though? No, I need to get the cookie before I make this request right here. Like, that's where I do everywhere. Like, if I were to go to, like, the... whatever. But there's not an issue, like, the cookie gets set. And, like, this admin session. Maybe. Like, do we have a, We don't have any middleware. Oh, brother. Yes, sir. So there was a problem with the cookie path. I think it needed like that appended like admin session. So what I did there was I went to application, cookies, and this is like the path of that site. That's where you can see all your cookies. So if you ever want to like log out or something from something, you can just like clear them or delete them. So like this is the correct one. Confirm, cancel, dashboard, one booking, one pending. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Sheesh, confirmed! And then that sets it back to pending. This is sick. So now if I go back here... Oh my gosh. Okay. We don't need that. Okay, looks good. Oh my goodness. From bookings, confirm, pending to confirm. That's awesome, dude. Okay. Enhance UI UX by 10x. You gotta give it like it needs to be 10x. Which one do we want to do? Which we liked this one, didn't we? Yes, we did. Let's see how it does. That's like a pretty vague prompt, but hopefully it's able to get... Oh, here you go. Image shared image will appears to be high-end golf simulator with premium. I love the premium aesthetic. Me too. Alright. Because we're high class, high style. Sophisticated premium color palette with gold beige tones. Branding, card-based layout, sophisticated UI. Yes. Alright, I think I got the vibe. Okay. I'm really excited to see what it does here. Guys, honestly, I'm very, very, very impressed with Claude tonight. Like, we've been one go. You know, the only issue we've had tonight has been with the cookie authentication, but that was like quick work. We got back-end booking, dashboard, client-facing. Cut. Oh my gosh, that is just not good. Brown? No, what are we doing here? I think this was a bad image. Let's say like Florida Gator. Oh, it's gonna be orange and blue. Dang it. Florida Everglades website. This is actually nice. No, not save. I just want to copy. So yeah, guys, good thing that we got out of there quickly. Keep all same content, just update UI to match that one. Yeah, so I just reverted everything and just did, because that was not good. This is a good vibe. I like these greens and the background transparency. Yeah. Yeah. This looks really good. This looks really, really good. So funny the way that it talks. More modern hero section with better typography, it's true. Better spacing and layout, it's true. Yes. Yeah. Okay. I think this is going to be a really good one. Wow. Really good come up on that telehealth website right here. Dribble's been clutch, man. These are some really good like websites for inspiration. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Holy, dude, some people are so talented. Not me, man. Talented in my own ways. That's unbelievable. Let's see if we can get a little real-time update. Probably not. Nothing yet. Thing's still cooking. Oh, we're close. We're almost done. You gotta think, guys, like, it's only one page, so... Absolute heat tonight. Guys, these have been some of my favorite mixes recently. I'm gonna throw it up here for y'all. It's kind of good vibe. You get like Ocean Therapy by Anjuna Deep. Plays like an hour and a half long mix of some bangers, and then incredible visuals. Look at that. Surf that right there. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Boy's still cooking. We're almost about ready to go here. Heck yeah! This is what I'm talking about. That's what's up. This is sick. Ah, this is so much better. This is so much better. Treatment? This is why you need to be careful giving these AIs all of the inspiration from the photo. Dude, if I didn't know anybody, find my treatment. Yeah, you need to be prescribed golf, alright? Oh, unbelievable. This is so funny. Oh, that's good stuff, man. Oh, that's good stuff. Alright, well, it looks really good. And I assume the admin panel still looks the same. Quality, links, 125. This is awesome, dude. What a website. Well, guys, there you have it. We've got a complete site to give to this client. You know, we got information from their website that was currently out there, went ahead and redesigned it, grabbed some images from their website. So hope you guys learn a lot from these videos. I certainly do, you know, especially when it comes to AI, prompting them, making them better. Tonight was a really good example of how we got everything we would in one shot. You know, this is how life is supposed to be. We just sit back, gather information, give it to these machines, and then have them pump out some amazing content for us that we can then go ahead and potentially sell to these guys to improve their traffic, make them look more professional. Obviously, something like this is insane. You know, we'd be able to manage like customer relationships right there, customer success, sending them emails, surveys, improving SEO through that. You know, anytime then someone says like Fort Lauderdale Golf Simulator, they instantly pop up, and then we're sending those surveys, getting on Google Maps and whatnot. So yeah, guys, exciting stuff in the works. Tonight was an excellent video, and I can't wait to work on this again. But if you guys made it to this far, as always, appreciate you very much, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace.